Hello everyone and welcome to this new video in my channel Vlogrammer. So today we're gonna go over the basics of Python and we're gonna discuss two concepts. The first one is data types and the second one is the definition of variables in Python. So first of all, and in order to do that, we need somewhere where to run our code. And for me, I use Jupyter Notebook. It's very easy and straightforward. Or you can install this Anaconda Navigator, which gives you all these other softwares that you might need afterwards. But for now, we're gonna stick to Jupyter Notebook. You just hit launch and it's gonna open in the new browser. You create a folder or you pick yours. For me, I already have this Jupyter Lab. So you just click new and Python 3. And you have this file that we can call intro Python. Perfect. So the first concept that we need to discuss is types of data. So types of data in Python, we're gonna keep getting this error, but never mind, I'm just using this as a place where to type. So types of data, so first of all, numbers. So numbers in Python are handled in two different, let's say, categories. So the first one is called integers, right? And this category handles numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and also -1, -2, -3. And the other category is called floats, and this category handles real numbers like 1.2, 3.5, 6.8, and also negative real numbers like 7.8 and so on. So this is for numbers. For letters and words and phrases and other stuff like this, in Python we have a specific type of data for that. It's called strings. Right. And in order to write a name, for example, in Python, you need to use the quotes. So, for example, you can write something like this, tennis, right? You can either use the single quote or you can use the double quote. It's gonna give us the same result. So you just need to be consistent. You can't, for example, use single and double quote. So this is gonna give us an error. So pick your single or double and stick to it. And the other type of data that we need to see is called Boolean, and it has only two values. So the values are, I will keep it here, Boolean. The values are true and false. And it's capital T and capital F. So to sum up, numbers, we have integers and floats. For words / letters, we have strings, and then we have floats for yes or no, on, off, it's true and false. So that's it for the types of data. So now we should discuss also what a variable is in Python. So the best way to understand what a variable is to think of it as a container. So a variable is a container that stores something. Yeah, so it's a container that stores something and has a label on it. That's basically a variable. Let's pick this variable that we call car, right? So car is the label. And to store something in car, we use this equal sign. And we're gonna store a value. So the value, let's say, Audi, right? So what we did here is we created a variable called car, and we stored this value, which is a string, inside of it. So now if we call car, if we call car, it's gonna give us the value Audi. We can also store numbers. Let's say we have this variable here and equals to 20. So if we call value, we're gonna get the value 20. You can also store booleans, which are true and false. So to sum up, I'm gonna give you back this. So a variable is a container that stores something and has a label. So that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.